In this video, I'm going to mention three things that I've been doing. Of course, I've stopped doing them. These three things affected my channel growth. Okay, so if I'm you, I'll watch this video to the end so that I will not miss out on any of these things, because you might be doing these things without knowing. So let's dive in. By the way, my name is Gold Nkechi. Welcome to my channel. So the first thing that you might be doing that is affecting your channel is using hashtags on your title. Okay, now hashtags are supposed to be put in the description box. When you finish describing your videos, telling your audience what to expect in your videos and everything, you can now put hashtags. Like, for instance, if you are teaching people how to cook, for instance, after describing the video, you can now put hashtags, hashtag cooking, hashtag food, hashtag rice and stew, something like that. Okay, in your description box and not in your title. I used to do this in order to, I feel like this is a way to, get the whole thing moving. And of course, I've seen people do that, but things have changed. This is the world of AI, and YouTube has keyed into this AI world. So you have to be very, very smart around the algorithm, otherwise they'll sideline your video because of simple things that people were doing before that they no longer value now. Okay, so stop putting hashtags on your title. Instead, put them in your description box. Now, the second one is your tags. Your tags, not hashtags now, but tags. If you want to use tags, please use it the right way. Otherwise, don't use at all, and your videos will still do well. Yes, like in my fitness channels, just one. So in my fitness channel, my previous videos, when I started, I never used tags on them, and some of them are still getting views up to this very moment. Yes, so it is either you use them appropriately or you don't use. And just like in the hashtag, whatever you're going to add in your tag should relate directly to the video. It's such a way that once an audience types how to cook rice, it will be how to cook rice. Okay, the audience will be people that want to learn how to cook rice based on your tags. You shouldn't put out a video on how to cook rice and you come and start giving us motivations as a tag. No, they don't work that way. So everything you're doing in your tags and in your hashtags should relate to the video. Otherwise, don't use at all, and just give a good description, give a good title, a good thumbnail, and you are good to go. Okay, yeah. The final one is this. I mentioned this in my previous video where I said that you can watch your videos. Okay, watch your videos, but of course I specifically said do that using different devices. Don't use one device to keep watching your videos over and over again. It will be registered as one IP address, one location. Okay, and of course that will show the algorithm that people don't really like your video. You're the only one liking and watching your videos, and of course that will affect the growth of that video. Instead, if you post a video using one device, use another device entirely to watch that video. Okay, if you want to watch your video, if you must watch your video, maybe you just want to watch your video to know how you just want to watch your video for whatever reason, use a different device. Let's assume that you are posting this video with this phone. I'm going to post this video with this phone. The next thing I'll have to do if I want to watch my video is to use either my laptop or my tablet or another phone or even a television entirely, so that it doesn't register as one address using my multiple emails or Gmails. Okay, so yeah, these are just the basic things I want to share. Subsequently, I'll be sharing more, but for today, I'm just sharing these three, so that if you've been doing any of these, I will advise that you try not doing them or try doing them well and see how it goes. And of course, if it goes well, come back to this video and tell me thank you in the comment section. And before you leave this video, please do well to subscribe, do well to like, and do well to share. Okay, so that you keep telling me that you like what I'm doing. You keep telling the algorithm that yes, this video has a good information, has good information, so that they'll keep pushing them. Okay, and of course, drop your review, drop whatever you feel about this video in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. For now, bye.